Good morning. It is Kristen Christensen. Happy to have this opportunity on a sunny, bright Friday morning to offer one of our first video home tours for our properties, given all of the kind of hysteria going on right now. We wanted to offer up a fun alternative to tour our properties. And this morning I am at our adorable Morningside listing on Kipling. And welcome home to 4024 Kipling Avenue in Morningside neighborhood of Edina. Upon entry, you will see this adorable remodeled family room space, which is right off the front of the home and overlooks into this adorably renovated custom kitchen with this charming eat-in area, built-in bench seating. The home literally was brought down to the studs by our buyers. They have redone literally every square inch of this home. You can see how they opened up the space between the family room and the kitchen area, and you can see it overlooks the front yard here. Just an amazing location in central Morningside, walkable to Excelsior and Grand, 44th and France. Just a ton of urban amenities. I'm going to take you back here to the bedroom area. Bedroom, bathroom. There's 3 bedrooms on the main floor. Look at this bathroom. It is beautiful. All updated mosaic tile work, clean quartz countertops, and then an awesome tile floor. Gleaming hardwoods throughout the rest of the area, which you probably saw in the family room. Here is the main bedroom. That is a queen size bed and just great light throughout as well. Updated light fixtures, sparkly and bright, and then a great closet system in this main bedroom. We'll go back out here to, there's a nice linen closet. There's actually 2 linen closets in the hallway here. And then here are our 2 adorable main floor bedrooms off the back of the home. One of my favorite things about these 2 bedrooms, this is just the cutest thing. There is a little pass-through between these 2 bedrooms for if you do have little ones who like to share fun little spaces. This is just kind of perfect for that. And then here is the second of the 2 rear bedrooms that have that little pass-through connection. So that is the main floor space. This property truly is amazing for a number of different buyers. It could be an incredible condo alternative. If somebody is looking for an urban area, walkable, and wants a simple property as far as yard maintenance. The yard it's a really, it would be simple to maintain. They've done some beautiful landscaping out the back, which I will show you in a little bit as well. Here's the front yard view again. And next I'm gonna take a break and I'll take you downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna start our lower level tour with, here is the side entry, which is adjacent to the detached garage. And then you come in here. This is right off the kitchen area as well. And we'll go downstairs to, again, the 100% renovated, completely new. Here's a cute little bar area. We have a refrigerator down here, glass shelving, cute tile wall. And then we've got just a great, nice and open amusement room in the lower level here. TV wall mount. Just a good amount of space. Very plush, fantastic carpet down here. And then back this way, you'll find our 4th bedroom. And again, a renovated bathroom. This bathroom, hi again, I just think is adorable. It's got updated flooring and then some of the vintage original turquoise tile. And then look at this adorable shower. Brick shower, that is one original element that they kept that I think is just super cool. And then over here, you will see the 4th bedroom with awesome daylight window, which is great. And it's got enough space for a dresser here. And we'll take you outside in a minute here, but there's a little glimpse at the really newly landscaped, cute backyard. We've got some fun play equipment back there right now. And then back here is a great storage space. Nice and organized. You've got an electrical panel here, glass block window, a little natural light, and just really good storage space. Very efficient. And then I will take you back here. We've got a mechanical closet here, which is where you will find the furnace and water heater. And then the laundry room area is back here off of the main amusement room space. Here we go. I love this laundry room. This is just so neat and tidy and doubles as a little home gym space, which is actually, it's not so little. It's nice and spacious. They've got a wall mount TV, nice trainer, bike on a trainer, and rubber mat flooring in this space. And they've just done a great job with built-ins, built-in ironing board. And then again, there's a little storage space back there. So we hope you can come and tour this home in person soon. If not, we are always happy to provide guided FaceTime tours. Happy to be virtual. Take care and have a great day. Hope you visit us soon. I wanted to give you all just a quick little look at this amazing detached oversized garage, which is a rare, hard to find feature in Morningside. And then our clients just did an amazing job with landscaping back here. You can see there's that 4th bedroom lower level there. And then they did just a great job cleaning up this backyard. And there's just a super manageable, lovely little green space here, nice grass. And then you can see kind of a planter bed all along the perimeter here, where you can just do a great job with perennials and annuals throughout the year. So that kind of wraps up our tour of 4024 Kipling in Morningside neighborhood of Edina. We hope you can come and visit us soon.